sun rises over Brazil with a golden warmth that spills across endless landscapes. A country not just of size, but of soul. A land where the Amazon whispers secrets of ancient civilizations, where samba beats echo through vibrant streets, and where every horizon tells a new story. Brazil is not a destination. It's a heartbeat. Opening scene, Amazon rainforest. Mist hangs low over the emerald canopy of the Amazon rainforest as rivers the size of oceans carve through the land like veins of life. Here, the air is heavy, breathing with the rhythm of countless species. Monkeys leap from tree to tree, parrots paint the sky in colors unimagined, and deep below, the jaguar moves silently, a reminder of the wild spirit that still reigns in this kingdom of green. The Amazon is more than a forest. It's the lungs of the world, a sanctuary of life, a mystery that humbles even the boldest traveler. Far to the south, the Iguazu Falls thunder across the borderlands, a wall of water stretching beyond sight, plunging into the earth with a force that rattles the soul. Mist rises like smoke, catching rainbows in its embrace. Stand close enough, and you feel it, the raw, unshakable power of nature. Iguazu is not just a waterfall. It is a cathedral where the earth itself speaks in torrents and echoes. At dawn, Rio awakens. The city unfolds between mountains and ocean, a dream cradled by nature itself. High above, Christ the Redeemer opens his arms, embracing the millions who call this city home and the millions more who arrive in awe. From Sugarloaf Mountain, the view stretches wide. Golden beaches curving like ribbons, the city alive with color and rhythm. Rio is more than a city. It is a pulse, a melody of laughter, football, and samba that flows through every street. Then comes Carnival, a celebration like no other on earth. The streets ignite with movement and sound. Costumes glitter like stars, drums beat like thunder, and dancers move as if time itself had surrendered to joy. Here, the world dissolves into rhythm. Here, strangers become family. Here, Brazil shows you its soul, a soul made of passion, freedom, and unbreakable spirit. On the sands of Copacabana and Ipanema, life slows to the rhythm of the waves. Football on the beach, caipirinhas in hand, and sunsets that paint the horizon in gold. The ocean kisses the land with a timeless devotion, reminding all who stand here, paradise is not imagined, it is lived. Further north lies Salvador, a city where history and heritage breathe through every cobblestone. Here, the spirit of Africa meets the heart of Brazil. Capoeira dancers spin in graceful combat, their movements born from struggle, their rhythm born from freedom. Candomblé rituals honor the Orishas, ancient deities carried across the Atlantic, now woven into the culture of Bahia. Salvador is music, color, resilience. It is the living memory of a people who turned pain into art and history into celebration. In the vast wetlands of the Pantanal, the world feels untouched. The call of the hyacinth macaw cuts through the silence. Caimans rest in still waters, and capybaras graze along riverbanks. Here, the jaguar reigns as king, emerging from the reeds with a grace both feared and revered. The Pantanal is Brazil's secret sanctuary, a place where nature still speaks louder than man. But Brazil is not only nature, it is also the rhythm of the modern world. In Sao Paulo, skyscrapers rise like steel mountains, a city of ambition and endless motion. Here, art spills from galleries, flavors explode from every kitchen, and cultures from around the globe converge into one unstoppable energy. Sao Paulo is Brazil's engine, fierce, alive, unstoppable. In the northeast, the desert becomes an ocean. White dunes stretch across the horizon, shaping a dreamlike canvas of sand and sky. Between them, blue lagoons shimmer in the sun, a miracle of rainwater captured by time. This is Lençóis Maranhães, a place that feels not of Earth, but of another world entirely. As day fades, the Amazon glows in golden light. The river reflects the sky like an endless mirror. Children laugh on its banks, boats drift slowly, and the forest whispers its lullaby. In this moment, you realize Brazil is not just land and water. It is not just cities and festivals. It is a story of people whose warmth feels like home, a story of nature that leaves you breathless, a story of rhythm, resilience, and boundless beauty. Brazil is 1,000 landscapes, 1,000 cultures, 1,000 songs. But above all, Brazil is alive. Alive in its forests, alive in its rivers, alive in its cities and in its people. To journey here is not to simply travel, it is to feel, it is to breathe, it is to become a part of a heartbeat that will stay with you forever. This is Brazil. Not just a place on a map, but a living symphony of earth, spirit, and soul.